In this video, I am going to discuss about employment and unemployment. Employment and unemployment are key indicators of a country's economic health and well-being. Employment refers to the number of people who are working and earning a wage or salary, while unemployment refers to the number of people who are actively seeking employment but are unable to find it. The importance of the employment and unemployment lies in their impact on individuals, families, and communities. When employment is high, people are able to earn a living, support themselves and their families, and contribute to the economy. This in turn leads to economic growth and prosperity. High levels of unemployment can lead to poverty, increased crime, and social unrest. How the unemployment affect the economy? Reduce consumer spending. Unemployed individuals have less disposable income to spend, which can lead to a decrease in consumer spending. This in turn can lead to a decrease in demand for goods and services, which can negatively impact businesses and the overall economy. Decreased tax revenue. Unemployment individuals are not paying taxes, which can lead to a decrease in tax revenue for the government. This can result in reduced funding for public services and programs such as education, healthcare, and infrastructure. Increased government spending. Unemployment can lead to an increase in government spending on social welfare programs such as unemployment, insurance, and food assistance. This can increase the government's budget deficit and lead to higher national debt. Reduced economic growth. Unemployment can lead to decreased economic activity as fewer goods and services are being produced and consumed. This can lead to a reduction in economic growth, which can be a long-term issue for the economy. Decreased confidence. High level of unemployment can lead to decreased confidence among consumers and businesses, which can result in reduced investment and spending. This can further impact the economy in a negative manner. The unemployment rate is the percentage of the labor force that is unemployed but actively seeking employment and willing to work. This is the equation to measure the unemployment rate in an economy. Number of unemployed individuals divided by labor force. Then we can multiply it by 100% to get the percentage value. To determine the number of unemployed individuals, a country's government typically conducts a household survey to gather data on employment and unemployment. This survey asks individuals about their labor force status, including whether they are employed, unemployed, or not in the labor force. It is important to note that individuals who are not actively seeking employment, such as those who have given up looking for work or who are unable to work, are not considered part of the labor force and are not included in the calculation of the unemployment rate. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.